everyone, I am Tanvi from Tanvi Educational Academy. Today we are going to see ICSE Class 4 English Literature Lesson number 2, The Visit to the Mansion exercise. So, let's see. Dictation words: mansion, enchanted, pipped out, trembling, jolly, neighbors, black mange, delicious, bronze, portrait. Meanings: stately mansion, a large impressive house, befriend, make friends with, flew about, ran around in great hurry, briskly, with a lot of energy, sore, painful, entertain, do something to make a guest to enjoy himself or herself, was touched, felt sorry for someone, examine, check with interest, quaint, pretty and old-fashioned, preached, sat on a narrow surface, flew up, stood up very fast, stern, serious and strict, gruff, rough and low. One word answer. First one, a sweet dish made with corn flour, sugar and milk. Answer, black and maize. Second one, to move the wood in a fire with long stick to make it burn brightly. Answer, to poke the fire. A mix of alarm and shame when someone unexpected happens. Answer, dismay. Choose the correct answer. Jo wanted to ask her mother, answer, if she could visit Laurie. Laurie started cleaning and arranging things in his room because, answer, he wanted it look good and ready for his guest Jo. Jo felt sorry for Laurie because, answer, he was unwell and lonely while she had fun with her family. Jo started dancing when they reached library because, answer, she was extremely happy to see the innumerable books, pictures, status, tables and great fireplace there. Answer the following questions. Why did Joe toss up a snowball? Answer. Joe tossed up a snowball to attract Laurie's attention and make him look out of his window. Second one, why did Laurie invite Joe to his house? Answer. Laurie was unwell and alone at home. He invited Joe to come to his house as he was lonely and bored and knew that he would feel better if he had someone to talk to. What gifts did Joe bring to Laurie? Which one did he like the most? Answer. Joe brought some black mage and 3 kittens for Laurie. He liked the kittens the most. How did Laurie know all the March sisters? Answer. Laurie could often hear the March sisters talking to each other. Sometimes he also saw them sitting around the table with their mother. This is how he knew all of them. Fifth one, why did Laurie's grandfather not allow him to visit their neighbors? Answer. Mr. Dorrance thought that people who did not know Laurie would feel disturbed if Laurie visited them, so he did not allow Laurie to visit their neighbors. Sixth, then why did Laurie leave Joe alone in the library? Did she mind? Why or why not? Laurie went to meet the doctor who had come to check if he was recovering well. Joe did not mind. She was very happy to be surrounded by the innumerable books and was looking at the portrait with great curiosity and interest. Complete the sentences with suitable determiners. First one, our garden looks untidy with so many weeds. My brother had no trouble passing his driving test. He passed it the first time. Few or many people live in houses these days. Why don't you come with us? There is a lot of space in the car. Is there any pickle left? Here, have some salad. It's good for health.